Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with my Ipsy. Yay!
And if my hair looks funny, I'm just trying to like mess with it. It's like a bun.
No, I was gonna say first subscription box of the month, but it's not. It's the second. It's
Right,
already
yeah.
got.
It's been a while since
Sorry.
we've gotten like boxes. Like it seems like everything's waiting and delaying.
But I looked inside. See, that's why I look inside, because there's sometimes something in here, and sometimes I miss it if I don't look. Like I don't. Everything's sticking to me.
How are you guys doing today? We just got off work. She went exercising, and then I went home, and it's blue. Had dinner.
So first thing obviously that I see, because it was I'm grabbing because it was in the outside bag, is firmabeauty.com brush.
It's 91 degrees in my house, by the way, so I'm hanging out with my sister where it's cooler for like a whole half hour. Then I gotta go to the store.
Okay.
So.
And then Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with keratin. So that's good. A spray, right, for the hair?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
Sorry, is it easier if I hold them?
And then, I always do this backwards. I always pull the card out at the end. Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. I don't know what color it is.
Oh, and she is putting a couple more items in the giveaway that we have going on, and we will click that link. You click that link. We will include the link down below, and you have to be subscribed and leave a comment in that video. So don't forget to do that if you haven't already.
And this is 2 Charcoal Clay Bubble Mask Refreshing Pore Care by, is it Soe or Soa New York?
Soe? I don't know.
Something like that. Okay. And then, was that it or? Oh no. Okay. And then MAC Prep and Prime Skin. I probably can definitely like put this in like giveaway right off the bat, because I'm pretty sure I already have like some of these. So anyway, and then the card said Flying Colors, looks like that, and then the back looks like that. I think that's it though.
Tiny little card.
Yeah. Empty.
The bag's kind of cute though, but we'd get so many of those bags. I was like, what do we do when we have 100 of them? Like donate them or something, make a quilt, I don't know. But that was it for this video. There should be a lot more considering we haven't gotten a lot of our things yet. And then as I said, don't forget to like the video if you've seen anything you like, and don't forget to subscribe, and then also be a part of our giveaway if you have subscribed and left that comment. And as I said, we'll include that below. Let us know what you think of this bag for about $11, and that's everything for now. We'll see you next time in our videos.
Take care.
Bye.